It just looks good. Doesn't it make you just want to go hit the beach, right? It makes you just want to go sit by the pool and sip on this, right? I'm trying to tell you, this is just so refreshing. I am not playing around. Just go and get your half a cup. Look at that. Get your half a cup, boom, put it in there. If you have one of these right here, that's a high protein snack. Come on now, 20 grams of protein, wash it down with that. High protein snack right there. Are you going to a party and want to show it with your own drink? Well, I got you covered. Or if you're just at the house, you're like, man, I need something really refreshing that doesn't have a lot of calories, that tastes great, that'll help fill me up, and I got you covered on that one too. But I'm gonna show you in this video some of my favorite go-to drinks I like to use. I'm gonna show you what I like to use with them that makes them taste a lot better. These are great, especially like on a hot summer day, you need a refreshing drink. Man, these are awesome, okay? Let me know in the comments, what is your go-to drink that you like to get down with? And I'll go check that one out as well. I'm always in a store. I'm always looking for different options. The reason why I like to use these drinks is because a lot of times you'll get a sweet tooth and these drinks will help take care of that. Also, if you're hungry, a lot of times these drinks will help out with that as well by filling up your stomach and helping you get to your next meal. So let me show you some of these drinks I like to go with. These are some of my favorites. Let me know in the comments if you've tried these, and if you have, how do you like to have them, and what are some of your favorite go-tos as well, all right? First up, one of my favorite ones is this right here, Spindrift. Have y'all gotten down with this one? This one is great. Now this is the NoJito, all right? NoJito. So it's like a mojito, just a NoJito. Now all this is just lime and mint mixed into the water. It is so refreshing. You don't even need to mix anything with this. It tastes great as it is. Sometimes what I like to do is just add my own mint to this water, like mint leaves. You can get them at the grocery store. If you have a mint plant at home, go with that. It's so simple, okay? Another thing you can do with this is add some fresh mint and like a little bit of Splenda or whatever kind of low calorie sugar you like to get down with. That tastes great as well. But if not, just have one of these by themselves. I mean, these are great. Have you tried these? These are, I don't know, one of my favorite ones. These are so refreshing. If you're going out by the pool, if you're going to the beach, take you some of these right here, all right? These are the NoJitos, okay? Have y'all seen these? Man, you gotta check them out, all right? But if you can't find these, let me show you another one. Spindrift also has the CosNOpolitan, all right? So as you see, obviously these are non-alcoholic drinks. That's why they're in the name, the NoJito, the CosNOpolitan, all right? So these are great for any time of the day, any time of the night. These are just so refreshing. I have these all the time. I keep both of them in stock because you never know which one you're gonna want. You never know, you might be hitting the pool. Like I say, you might be hitting the beach. You might just be outside working in the yard. It don't matter. You need something refreshing. You don't want to just grab some boring water. Grab you one of these. The good thing about these as well is that they will help fill your stomach up. All right, they are sparkling water, so they will help fill your stomach up. A great way to get some flavor into your water. And I'm trying to tell you, these are good. Have you tried these? Let me know if you've tried. These are really good, okay? My next favorite, I've talked about these a lot. These Saratogas right here, man, these jokers right here are just great. All right, the one thing I like about these as well is that they have this top on them. I can open it up and close that joker back up so it doesn't spill. All right, that's one great thing about the Saratoga. But now these are unflavored, so you have to put your own flavor in it. That's all right, I'm gonna show you how to do that in a second. But these are great, okay? And you don't have to go with Saratoga, you can go with any kind of brand. The thing is, if you get you some water, if you get you some carbonated water like this, it will help fill you up. I've done it plenty of times where I'm starving, I'll have one of these and an apple, and it will get me to my next meal instead of eating something I shouldn't be eating, okay? So these will definitely help out with that. So I'm just trying to show y'all some of my favorite ones. If you can find them, I get these at Walmart. And like I said, they're easy to carry around because you can twist that top back on there, all right? Come on. Okay, I've talked about this before in my videos. You have to try this out. This is just, I keep these in the freezer because they're great. Frozen berries. Come on now, frozen berries. If you know about frozen berries, you let me know. I use frozen berries on everything. If you have a sweet tooth, this right here will take care of it. If you have some yogurt, put some frozen berries on top with a little bit of honey, your sweet tooth's gone. All right, I promise you, it is, these things are great. A lot of times what I'll do if I have a sweet tooth, I would just literally get a serving of this as a cup. I'll literally just get a cup and scoop it out and eat it out of the cup. They're nice and refreshing, great on a hot day because they're frozen. It'll help cool you down. Plus, you're getting some fiber, knocking out a sweet tooth. It is great. But the one thing I like using these for is my ice cubes. Why use some boring old ice cubes made out of water? Why don't you use some fruit? Come on now, you can't beat that. Let's go. All right, so let me show you what we're working with here. So just to let you know, so one serving is 1 cup. It's 80 calories, 21 grams of carbs because it's fruit. There's 9 grams of fiber in 1 cup. Now, usually when I'm using it as ice, I only use half a cup, okay? So definitely check these out, man. These are great. You can get them anywhere. Kroger, Walmart, Costco has a bag. Just make sure this is the triple berry blend. So this has blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. I like to get the ones with berries in them. That's kind of fruit I like to get down with, berries, all right? I'm trying to tell you, this is just so refreshing. I am not playing around. Just go and get your half a cup. Look at that. Get your half a cup, boom, put it in there. That's your ice cubes. Why use boring ice cubes when you can have some fruit? Come on now. Let's go with the CosNOpolitan. Come on, pop that joker. Let's go. And just pour it up in there. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Tell me something. That looks refreshing as it is. You just made you a refreshing drink using this and some frozen berries. Man, let's go. There it is. Look at that. I mean, tell me something. This is a refreshing drink right here. It just looks good. Doesn't it make you just want to go hit the beach, right? It makes you just want to go sit by the pool and sip on this, right? So come on. Man. That's refreshing. Don't use boring ice cubes anymore. Use some frozen berries. Something like this, man, it is just a go-to. All right, so, and then like I said at the end, what you can do as you drink it all up, what you're gonna have is like a little treat at the end. Look at that, you're gonna have some berries. Man, that's so good. It's so refreshing. Great, like I said, for a hot day. I mean, you just can't beat it. Now, if you want to, you can use strawberries. You can use whatever kind of berry you want to. It don't matter. They have ones with cherries in them. Try to get a bag that has a mixture of different berries in there, your favorite berries. You can also use pineapple. It doesn't matter. Whichever one fits into your personal nutrition, your personal goals. The thing is, you can use this as a snack as well. So you're going to have the water with whatever fruit you choose. You know, maybe like a string cheese or something like that, or maybe a cottage cheese. So you can get some protein and have this as your drink, and that's gonna be your snack. That can be your mid-morning snack, maybe your mid-afternoon snack. It's a very light snack. It's gonna taste good. It's gonna take care of a sweet tooth. You're gonna get fiber from the fruit. You're gonna get the protein. Let's say if you go with cottage cheese, you'll get it from there, or you can do a yogurt. You know, any kind of protein yogurt you wanna choose will go great with this. For example, if you have one of these and one of these right here, that's a high protein snack. Come on now, 20 grams of protein, wash it down with that. High protein snack right there. What kind of yogurt do you like to get down with? What is your go-to protein yogurt? Try to get you a yogurt that has at least 20 grams of protein. Another option, if you don't want to do the yogurt, you can do a cottage cheese. I keep these little cottage cheese containers in stock, either Daisy, Good Culture, whatever your favorite cottage cheese is. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite cottage cheese? But these are great. I like to get these little containers because it just makes it so easy. I grab a spoon, I grab one of these, and I'm out the door. If you don't have time to have like a full lunch, not a problem. Just put these two together. Look at that. You got your high protein lunch right there, real quick. No more excuses, okay? Grab your yogurt, grab your cottage cheese, 2 little containers, grab your spoon, and you're good to go, all right? That is a high protein snack right there, or a lunch. If you don't have time to grab you some lunch, come on now. Almost 40 grams of protein with the quickness. Gonna get any easier than that, come on. And then if you have this with that drink, it's gonna help fill you up because it's carbonated water. It's gonna help knock out a sweet tooth. This will help knock out a sweet tooth, plus that fruit in the drink, and then you're getting some protein here too. Put the fruit on the cottage cheese if you want to as well. However you want to get down, it don't matter. You do whatever works for you and your personal goals. I'm just trying to show you ways that you can stay ready. If you keep this stuff in stock, if you keep this in stock, keep these in stock, keep that water in stock, keep that fruit in the freezer, no more excuses. You can do it. You can totally do it. Who says you can't do it? You just have to stop making excuses and saying, oh, I don't have anything, or I don't have anything to eat for lunch, or I'm just starving, so I got to go grab something I shouldn't be grabbing. That's going to put me in the same position that I've been in forever, and that's why I'm not making any. So you have to make some changes, because remember, if nothing changes, nothing changes. So go get you some of these items, keep your fridge stocked, keep your pantry stocked, keep your freezer stocked, and you stay ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready, all right? I'm trying to show you ways to do it. Let me know what are your stay ready snacks are that taste great, that help you hit your protein goals, and that are just refreshing, like that water right there. That water is so good, man. Let me get some more of that water real quick. I need to get some more of this, come on. CosNOpolitan, man, look out. That is good. That is good. You have to try this. Probably have me a NoJito later. Try these out, man. NoJitos are no joke. They're good. They're really good. Let me know in the comments, have you tried these? If not, what is your favorite one? How do you like to make your refreshing drinks? If you have like a recipe you like to use, put it in the comments so we can all check it out. Stay ready, all right? I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.